Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Honda Ridgeline RTL. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 171,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, power windows, and rear privacy glass.